Do the max line right there. I have this set to coarse. This is my absolute favorite machine now.
Okay, I've never actually crushed any beans like this, so we're gonna see how this works. I guess it goes, fairly coarse, I guess. So we'll just, all right, let's, all right, so we had to lock the top. You have to twist the lock. Now I guess we're going to press this. Press it again. And now it's very hard to do this with my hands. And wow, that was very quick and it worked. Now I'm going to put this in the Tasty Style machine on a separate. I'm going to put it right in here, and that's for a different video. But it works. It works well. It's very easy, just one button.